pinipili ko ay love. Kasi dahil doon kaya ka bumabangon sa araw-araw para may maayano ka sa pamilya mo. Kasi kung wala yun, malungkot ang buhay mo. Kasi pag may pagmamahal, motivation ka para sa pang-araw-araw, maalis yung pagod mo. Pag uwi mo, nandyan yung pamilya mo. Kaya mas okay talagang may pagmamahal.
Ang pili-pili ko ay career dahil kapag naging successful ka naman sa career mo, darating din naman yung love na para sa
As of now, pinipili ko po ay career. First of all, yun nga po, panganay po ako sa aming magkakapatid. And with the help of career, makakatulong yan para na-secure ko first yung family ko. And makakatulong din yun sa future ko. If ever papasok man ako sa love, at least I am confident na stable yung life ko.
At para samahan tayong pag-awayan, nagsimula na nga po yung away kanina. Pag-usapan kung may tamang sagot nga ba sa pagpili ng love or career. Eto na po, kasama na po natin ngayong umaga ang nagbabalik na si DJ Raquetera kasama ang iba pang cast ng Goodwill. Jiro Custodio, David Chua, and Maxine Magalona.
Yes.
Good morning!
Good morning!
Good morning!
Ayan, good morning mga kada and good morning sa ating lahat na nandito ngayon. It's good to be back here and feeling ko tuloy cast din ako ng Goodwill. Yes! Kaya sa mga bumubuo po ng Goodwill, ayan, I'm good and willing to ako. ng casting.
Go ahead. Magandang umaga ho sa ating lahat. At dahil sabi nga naman po niya, Raquetera ho siya. So baka ho, mamaya sa episode pumasok sa Goodwill. Ano, di ba, Jiro? Magandang umaga ho sa ating lahat.
Kahit taga-punas lang ng luha.
Jiro, bati muna.
Ayan, magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga kada umaga natin nakasama. Thank you sa pagsuporta ng Goodwill. Yes.
Okay.
Ito na.
Fire away na. Agad-agad. Tanungin na natin ang ating mga guests dito. Nagkaroon na ba kayo ng time na you had to choose between love and career? Raquetera.
Miss P, definitely yes. Magkukwento po ako, pero hindi ko masyadong mahaba. Back in 2019, I was engaged.
Okay.
Doon sa ex-boyfriend ko pa.
Okay.
Tapos, I told him na kung po pwede, after 3 years na kaming ikasal. Because I was so focused with my career. Ang dami kong guesting nung time na yun, hosting, and may ginagawa akong libro nung time na yun. But then, few months later, hindi na siya nakapag-antay, so we separated ways. So, I guess nung time na yun, pinili ko ang career, but now I'm happy to say that I'm married. Wow. So I chose love. Pero
Inuna mo muna yung career.
inuna ko muna yung career. Pero Miss P, pwede naman piliin both.
Oo nga.
Pwede akong magkaroon ng both.
Oo,
Ngayon, meron akong maayos na career at the same time, may love naman.
Okay. So, you ended up with a person who didn't have to make you choose. Diba?
Totoo, Miss P. Kasi pwede rin naman na piliin ko talaga yung love kasi may career naman siya. Kumbaga, di ba, it matters eh. Kumbaga, yung pipiliin mong taong mamahalin, okay din kapag financially stable siya. So, bakit pa ako magpapakanda hirap? Di ba? Sa career ko, kung may career siya, kaya niya naman ako suporta. Hindi, pero joke lang naman yun. Of course,
Okay.
I want... Pero joke lang din naman yun. Yung bigla si Miss P, di ba? Pero joke lang naman yun. Of course, I want to also have financial security on my own. So, tinapos ko muna yun. And at least kay papano ngayon, okay ako in terms of finances, currently building my own, ganyan.
Yes.
And yung partner ko naman, as of the moment, we support each other, especially dun sa career na meron kami. And hindi naman hadlang yung pagmamahalan naming dalawa to develop our own careers.
Yes.
Actually, mas nag-grow pa siya lalo because hindi ko siya nagiging distraction, kundi isang inspiration.
Maganda yan. I love that.
Eh, baka security guard ang gusto mo.
Para daw,
Security, oo.
ang secure daw
anak mo.
Kaya nga gusto ko yung...
24/7.
Yes, gusto ko yung gising yung 24/7.
Patient yun.
Yes.
O, diba? Kahit gano'ng katagal kang late. Okay lang. Pero kasi, the career part, choosing career is not always about financial security. It's also about personal satisfaction, gratification.
Totoo.
Isn't it
Yes.
correct?
Tama.
David, ikaw naman. Let's hear it from a guy's perspective. Kasi, sometimes people tend to think that guys will always choose career first over love life. Have you ever chosen love first rather than career?
Alam mo, sa experience ko kasi, yung career, bihira lang dumating sa'yo yan eh. Lalo na kung passion mo. Tapos yun ang career na gusto mo, passion mo. Pag dumating yung career na yon at di mo ginrab, mahirap nang makuha ulit eh. Kasi kami lalaki, pwede naman kami manligaw. Ang love para sa amin, pwede naman namin ligawan yung babae. Ang babae, mahirap naman manligaw sa lalaki. Baliktad eh. So, mas mabilis po sa amin na makapangligaw ng babae. Kaya,
So, wala
career
ka
mo
bang
na.
the one that got away? Halimbawa, di ba? Meron ka.
Straight to the point, mga pia.
Parang gusto ko kay Max yun, kasi kilala ko yung ano ni Max. Kaibigan ko eh. Letter R yung unang pangalan. Kaibigan ko yun eh.
Binato.
Kasama ko sa modeling
Deflecting
dati.
ka! Apply!
Oo.
Gets ko na.
May comment si Miss P doon sa sinabi. Deflecting daw. Iniiba yung usapan.
Kasi for me, pag the one, hindi siya makaka-get away if it's the one. Di ba? And if you think the one that got away, ibig sabihin hung up ka pa sa kanya, di ba? So I feel if it's the one, hindi siya mawawala sa'yo. What's meant for you, yun talaga yung para sa'yo. Tingin ko. Yeah.
I believe in that too. Especially when you pray about this person,
Yes,
diba?
yes,
No
yes.
matter,
Yes.
talagang no weapon of evil formed against
Yes,
you will
yes.
prosper,
Totoo
diba?
yan. Totoo yan.
Oo. So ikaw, Maxine, that's never happened to you na you had to choose?
I always had to choose love over career before. I was a people pleaser, so I would always have to please my partner. And my partners in the past, syempre immature pa tayong lahat, nung mas bata pa tayo, di ba? They really couldn't understand my work. So they would try to make me a little bit smaller. But not na hindi nila sinasadya. Ha? It's more of, the guys that I were with before, they really couldn't understand my line of work. So they were trying to sort of control me and to stop me from doing what I really want to do in my career. And it's hard kasi I want to do it but I love this person. And di ba pag sinasabi pag ang babae, yung lalaki, asawa, susuportahan mo yung asawa mong lalaki, di ba? You will follow your husband. Although hindi ko pa sila husband at that time, I was very loyal and I always am naman. I'm a very loyal person. So if you ask me to do something for you, I will do it. And I had to pay the price for that because at the end, I felt betrayed. That I betrayed myself. So I had to keep choosing others. I had to keep pleasing others because I wanted them to approve of me. Because I did not approve of me. Because I lacked self-worth and self-respect. So I had to keep choosing love over career. But now my answer is, career comes first. Because I come first. And if wala akong career, if I don't follow my dreams and I don't pursue my passions, I will just have to depend on someone else to validate my existence. I don't want that. So if I work on myself, if I follow my dreams and focus on my passions, I know God will bring me the person that is meant to be with me. Because a person who makes me choose between them and my career is not the person meant for me.
That's true.
The person meant for me will support me in my career. It's like a magnet, no?
Sige lang. Pwede po ka lang.
Galing lang ako. Copy and paste mo na lang.
Yun.
Sinabi niya.
Copy and paste.
Ito na. I love you, Mas Maxine. Even more na.
Pero totoo, parang magnet, di ba? Kasi when you choose career, you're choosing yourself. And you are the love of your life. I am the love of my life. And then, however I treat myself, God will give me the person who will treat me like that also. Because I will attract the person who is like me also. Di ba?
Exactly.
Dapat nga, it's you find a partner who will help you build your career or help you build your career, not someone na you were able to build a career in spite of him. Alam mo yon?
Yes.
Parang
Yes.
because of him, not in spite of him.
Yes.
Dapat hindi siya maging balakid.
Hindi.
Kung hindi, support.
Correct.
Jiro?
Yes.
You're so quiet over
Sabi niya,
there.
copy-paste.
Copy-paste. Exactly.
Pwede naman tayong sumalungat. Diba?
Kasi dumudugo ilong namin kakain dito. Nahihirapan kami makasabay eh.
Tumulong sa damit ko.
Nahihirapan naman kami mag-English namin eh. Jiro, banatan mo na English.
Sige.
English ha? Kapag malaki mo yung ano natin.
May tissue ba kayo?
Meron
Huwag ka
naman.
Tagalog ha? English tayo.
Okay. As what Maxine, ayun, gano'n. Copy-paste, copy-paste. Okay. Sa akin naman, ayan, sa pananaw ko, lahat tayo actually may choice pumili. Pero for me, sa akin lang naman, katulad din sinabi din nila, career muna. Kasi lalo na ngayon ako ay nibibuild pa, syempre, ng aking pong sarili, ng career and all. Masyado pa akong bata pag pumili ako sa relationship. Though, I know naman, pag pumasok sa relationship ang isang tao, ako, hindi din ako kasi pumapasok para lang, alam mo yung parang pastime or magkaroon na ng girlfriend, parang kasi pag pumasok ako sa relationship, serious ako. So, if I'm going to have an girlfriend in future, yun yung choice ko na step na rin para mag-asawa.
Ang dami mo lang ka-text kanina eh. Nakatawa tayo ka-text eh. Iba-iba yung
Wala. Hindi ako yun.
Sa lalaki na walang career.
Wait
Di
lang.
ba?
Kayo lahat halos pinili nyo career. Pero ang
Opo.
tanong, kapag ba career ang pinili mo, ibig sabihin ba nun, selfish ka?
Ha?
Hindi.
No?
I think hindi.
Kasi
Kasi the best
Huwag
thing
kayong galit sa akin naman. Kaya patanong
Yeah.
Kasi I think the best gift that you can give to the world is your best self. So how can you be your best self if you're not happy in your career, in your chosen field of work, di ba?
Correct.
Corona ulit!
Isang patuloy. Pangalawang corona.
Alam mo, dapat siya yung nagtitrain ng mga Q&A.
Oh, wait.
Ng mga Miss Universe.
Yeah, I just have to say self-love is not selfish.
Yes.
We thought we grew up in a society where we are made to believe that we have to put others before ourselves. But we have to put ourselves first because how can you give to them if you don't give to yourself first?
You
Kaya
cannot,
burn out tayo mga
Give
babae.
what you don't
you cannot
have.
pour from an empty
Empty
cup.
cup. And you cannot give something that you don't
Exactly.
have. So if you don't have love for
So
yourself,
love yourself
how can you-
first, please.
Yes.
Ikaw muna,
Yes.
ikaw.
Because nobody's perfect.
Yeah. Totoo naman yun. you have to put boundaries and limitations. You can always say no to people na alam mong hindi magiging healthy para sa'yo. Yung mga gawain na hindi healthy para sa'yo. So, I think it's very it's a good practice to put that boundaries and limitations dahil etong self-love na na ibinibigay mo sa sarili mo is not selfishness but actually a way para maalagaan mo yung sarili mo to have a healthy relationship with yourself. Kasi lagi natin gustong maging goal is magkaroon ng healthy relationship with other people. Nakakalimutan natin na puro tayo sa work, healthy relationship with work, healthy relationship with our loved one, with the family, pero hindi natin masyadong nurture yung healthy
Sarili.
relationship
Relationship natin with
ourselves. So I think it's also important for us to really make a way para mas mabigyan natin ng oras, atensyon at pag-aalaga yung sarili natin.
Gusto ko lang sasugan yon, no? Kasi lahat tayo pinili. Lahat tayo. Nung una, pipiliin mo career, pero paalala lang sa mga kada, ikaw lang din po kasi ang makakaalam kung happy ka na at feeling mo successful ka na sa buhay for you to choose the love of your life na. Diba? Kami dito, pinipili namin career kasi feeling namin, hindi pa kami ganun kabuo. Feeling namin, kailangan pa namin ng love para sa sarili namin. Pero ikaw, kailangan mong pakinggan yung sarili mo. Ikaw lang ang makakasagot ng katanungan na yan.
Oh, or corona!
Alam mo, dapat to, share corona.
I-share naman natin yung corona. Si Ate ka naman magbigay ng
Ayan
opinion.
na.
Kasi,
Eto na, your time.
especially,
And pace.
okay, you're in a relationship
Oh.
and you're also very career-oriented. hindi ba, etong mga to, hindi na nagpapahinga yung mga yan eh. Walang weekend dyan sa mga yan.
Medyo.
Hindi ba nagre-reklamo ang inyong mga partners that you never have time for them? Isn't... Wow.
May guilty na. Nagkatinginan lang kami.
Meron akong inside info. Ginamit ko talaga.
Mama.
Kwektuhan ka na
So,
natin sa
paano niya
makeup
minamanage yun? I mean, you don't want to break up with them because obviously you have feelings for these people, you love them, you want to continue the relationship, but you also don't want to make too many adjustments turning down work.
Okay, so basically for me, I think I've been here in the Philippines for almost 20 years doing the same thing over and over again. So I think it's pretty obvious that I chose career because that's what motivates me to wake up every day and want to do something that makes me
Okay,
happy.
that's not my question.
Pero I will get there. I will get there, madam. Wait lang. So, for me, but kung love or career, sinagot ko na. So, career. And I think that dapat maintindihan ng kung sino man magiging
Naintindihan ba niya ngayon?
Paano
Lagi
mo siya
naman,
minamasahe kapag halimbawa,
Ay, grabe naman.
Sunday!
Punta sa masahe.
Sunday, may
Mama.
trabaho ka na naman. I mean, Sunday, you're gonna work?
So, basically,
Salita yun siya.
yeah. Mamaya na yan. Anyway, wait. Let's go. No. Prangkahan na lang
marami ka na
tayo.
bang-
I will be honest. Ako nga minsan may problema sa ganyan. Kasi nga, di ba, my partner right now is also an entertainer. So, yung work niya sa gabi. Ako naman before, nung nag-meet kami, more on ganyan. Sa, di ba, kanta sa gabi, hosting sa gabi, performances, when I took a little break from TV, di ba? So, naiintindihan ko yon. And naiintindihan din niya ako because sabay kami. Nagpa-perform, lumalabas.
May
ganyan.
pero yan?
Ha?
May pero?
Hinintay namin
Mayroon.
pero.
Okay.
Pero ngayon, kada umaga ako. Kada umaga ako nagtatrabaho.
So, nag-aaway ba kayo?
Hindi, nabaliktad na ngayon, yung trabaho niya sa gabi. So minsan, halimbawa, mga 8 p.m. alis na yon. Pagbalik niya, siguro mga 4, 5, minsan niya 7 a.m. Papunta na akong trabaho. So, our time management is very difficult. So,
Yes.
it's obvious that pareho kaming napili ang
Career.
career muna. And then, we also chose each other with our own
So,
limitations.
respetuhan lang.
Yes.
With each other's schedules.
And understanding. A lot of understanding. With exclamation point. And yes,
Caps lock.
girls.
I guess it helps that you're from the same industry.
Yeah.
Kasi kapag hindi mo kaparehong industriya, halimbawa, banker, ganon. Tapos
totoo yan.
ikaw yung gabi yung trabaho. Parang ang hirap.
Tsaka
Diba?
mahirap ipaintindi, Mama P, yung trabahong meron ka sa industriyang to, dun sa partner.
Totoo yun.
At saka may nabasa ako sa isang book, it's called The Seat of the Soul. Pag nakilala mo daw yung soulmate mo, mag-a-align daw yung purpose ninyo eh. So yung purpose ng guy, pati parang maging parang hand in hand. It will work hand
As
in
one.
hand. Parang ganun.
Does it have anything also to do with the confidence level of your mate? Kasi even if you're like me, we're from two different industries, but my husband truly understands everything
Yeah.
and even supports
Totoo.
it. So kahit inuumaga yung taping or may trabaho sa weekend, of course it's frowned upon. You have this understanding that your weekends are sacred, but because I decided to get married kind of late, parang I'm able na to say I'm not going to accept any more work pag weekends. Pero kung nangyari to way
Noon.
earlier, hindi ko siguro magagawa yon. I'll be like, manigas ka. Kasi, di ba, I'm still trying to build my, my career here.
Yes.
So, Emma, ready ka na ba?
Hindi pa! Hindi, kami kasi dumating sa point na pinili ko muna yung career. So, naiwan ko si boyfriend nung time na yon. Pero bumalik din ako. Kasi,
That's when you know, no?
Oo,
pag, pag nag-break kayo,
Oo.
tapos parang na-miss nyo talaga yung energy ng isa't isa, magbabalikan
yun
kayo.
pa rin yung sinasabi mong the one na parang, yes, parang mawawala mo na magpapahinga, ma-realize mo lahat, parang siguro kukumpletuhin mo muna din yung sarili mo, isipin mo talaga, tapos babalik din kung talagang para sa'yo siya.
At naghintay, Rocky.
Oo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pero yung ex ko, hindi.
Diba?
Kaya naman, ano na lang ang
Mabuti
last
na lang,
advice
we
mo?
found out before it was too late.
Totoo, Miss P.
Oh, that's true.
Tsaka it was a blessing in disguise, diba? Your brokenness is actually a blessing. So, yun yung I think nangyari sa akin nung time na yun. Kaya ngayon, masaya, diba? Na may love, tapos may career din.
Wala
the
talagang
universe
wasted experiences.
redirected
Even the
you.
hurtful ones will help you as a person. So, parting words, guys. Ito na, 11:48 na. Sabi ko,
Mainit-init nga
45
tayo.
na.
Oo. Ayan, sa mga kada natin dyan, kung nakakaranas kayo ng pagkakataon sa buhay ninyo na kailangan yung mamili between love or career, kailangan nyong timbangin sa sarili ninyo at i-assess, kumustahin niyo yung sarili ninyo kung ano nga ba talaga ang mga goals ninyo sa buhay ninyo at ano ba ang nakikita at nararamdaman mong purpose mo sa buhay mo. Kasi kung kontento ka na meron kang career, then you choose your career. Pero kung palagay mo gusto mo pa rin ng love, then love. So, pwede naman yung ganun, oo.
Tama.
Pwede naman yung love nga na merong career, yung mamahalin mo, tapos may pera pa. Charot!
Naging uso yung gano'n sa social media. I don't know why. Oo, ang daming
David,
ganyan.
baka you wanna take this opportunity
Opo.
na imbitahan ang ating
Dito
mga
ba tayo?
kanda.
Dahil sa ito ang topic natin ho, no, di ba? Makaka-relate ho kayo pag pinood nyo yung Goodwill Season 5. Kasi ang kwento ho dyan, may pinamana ho sa akin na 5 milyon.
Ayun.
Pero dapat mahanap ko yung the one. and
Ayun.
only. So ano bang mas matimbang, yung pera o yung pagmamahal? Kaya panoorin niyo po ang Goodwill Season 5.
Nandun yung sagot dito sa discussion natin.
Nandun na eh.
Pasok yung kuya.
Galing.
Max, thank you very much. Anything else you wanna Arcadas to know
Yes,
about?
thank you so much. Goodwill on Sunday, 5 p.m., Net25. And I guess pinadala ako dito to tell you to choose yourself, love yourself, and God will bring you your love.
Because nobody's perfect.
Ayan, yun, nasabi na din. Copy-paste na lang ulit. Ayan, maraming
media
salamat.
na lang.
Yes, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta ng Goodwill Season 5. So, exciting po itong season na to. Huwag niyo palalagpasin. Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
DJ Rocky, thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss P. and mga kada.
May commission kami kapag
Thank you po. Abangan nyo rin po ako sa Goodwill.
May mga kasama pala tayo bukas.
Oh!
Babalik
Babalik
si
si
David
bukas.
Chua dito sa Kada Umaga bukas at may kasama.
Sino yung
May
bitbit?
kasama
Wait,
siya.
pakinggan
Wait
niyo
lang,
tong music
Christian?
na to. Pakinggan niyo muna
Christian
yung
music. Sino yun?
Sino ang artista na sumayaw niyan? Sinayaw niya yan at nag-viral sa social media.
Abangan nyo.
Okay,
Tomorrow, dito sa Kada Umaga.
Yes. Sa Net25, this is Pia Guanyo Mago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye!